One of the three designers behind the iconic Twitter logo said he's sad seeing the original bluebird be replaced. Martin Grazer, an artist and designer based in San Francisco, spoke with us via Zoom after posting a viral thread where he shared memories about how the logo was created.
I am sad. I think that I would be lying if I said I didn't love it when I'm watching the NBA finals and you get to see it on the court, or you pick up like orange juice at the supermarket and your drawings on the side. Like there is just something really, I don't know, whatever. It's just a little like wink that's like charming. We found this, really cool little round form sort of in the belly of the bird. And we started taking that into the computer and quickly learned that like the method of construction really had a conceptual underpinning that worked for both the platform and the way the logo could be drawn. And so we used 13 circles of three different size circles, 13 in total, overlapping to render the bird that ended up being selected for the final logo.
Late Sunday, the new logo was projected on the exterior of the company's offices in San Francisco. Musk said in a post on Sunday he wanted to change Twitter's logo and polled his millions of followers whether they would favor changing the site's color scheme from blue to black.
And I think in a lot of ways it represents the best of the internet's adolescence. That's sort of what I was thinking about last night. Like, why do people like this? Why is there a affinity for it? And I think that it recalls a time when a lot of people, I don't mean this to sound cynical, but believed more in the power of the internet. And I think we hadn't been, we were still more hopeful and optimistic about the role that technology could play in our life. I think when you look at the momentum early Twitter created, I think there's a lot of that in the bird, where it's like what it was like to be on Twitter between 2012 to 2000, almost like leading up to the 2016 election. And then I think it became another thing after the 2016 election. And I think now it's entering a new thing. And there's no quicker way to let everybody know that you're doing something new than to have a new logo. So I think it makes total sense as the company shifts that they would want a new direction and a new mark to represent that. For Jack, it was meant to communicate simplicity, brevity, and clarity, which I think aligns with the platform in 2012. I think in culture, it feels like the best memories of the internet's adolescence. That's the best way I could put it. It feels like something you remember fondly from your teenage years that probably is going to change and not be the same as the way it was, which is a shame.
Under Musk's tenure, since he bought Twitter in October, the company has changed its business name to Xcore, reflecting the billionaire's vision to create a super app like China's WeChat.